KineMaster versus FlipaClip animation apps. Choosing the right animation app can transform how you create stunning visuals without complicated tools. KineMaster offers professional video editing, while FlipaClip focuses on frame-by-frame animation for artists. KineMaster and FlipaClip serve animation creators but differ fundamentally. KineMaster is a full-featured video editor with animation capabilities ideal for polished projects. FlipaClip is a dedicated frame-by-frame animation app perfect for hand-drawn or traditional style animations. This is their main distinction. KineMaster is a powerful video editing app designed for mobile devices that supports multi-layer video, images, and text, plus precise frame-by-frame trimming. It works by letting users combine video clips, audio, effects, and animations into a polished, final product. Its strengths include professional-level editing tools, chroma key support, and real-time previews, making it ideal for creators producing animation videos with complex edits and effects. However, KineMaster's animation features are secondary to its video editing functions, so it may not be the best choice for detailed hand-drawn animations. It requires a learning curve for beginners, and some features are limited in the free version. The ideal user is someone who wants to blend animation with video editing, such as YouTubers, marketers, or multimedia creators looking for an all-in-one mobile editing solution. According to KineMaster.com, it excels in flexible editing but is less focused on traditional animation workflows. FlipaClip is a dedicated frame-by-frame animation app designed specifically for creating hand-drawn animations on mobile devices. It works by allowing users to draw individual frames using brushes, layers, and onion skinning tools, which provide a clear view of previous frames for smooth motion. Its strengths lie in its simplicity and focus on traditional animation techniques, making it accessible for beginners and hobbyists. FlipaClip supports exporting animations as videos or GIFs and includes features like audio syncing and timeline editing. However, it lacks advanced video editing tools and multimedia integration, limiting its use for complex video projects. The app is free with optional paid upgrades for additional brushes and features, making it affordable for casual animators. Ideal users are artists, students, and animators who want an intuitive platform for drawing frame-by-frame animations without the distractions of full video editing. FlipaClip.com highlights its ease of use and animation-centric design as key benefits. KineMaster and FlipaClip cater to different animation needs. For creators needing comprehensive video editing with some animation features, KineMaster is the better fit. It handles complex projects involving multiple media types, effects, and transitions, ideal for polished content like YouTube videos or marketing materials. On the other hand, FlipaClip shines in traditional animation workflows, focusing on frame-by-frame drawing and smooth motion through onion skinning. Its simplicity makes it great for beginners or artists focused purely on animation. The trade-off is between versatility and specialization. KineMaster offers broad editing power, but less animation depth, while FlipaClip delivers detailed animation tools without video editing complexity. Choosing depends on whether your priority is advanced video production or dedicated hand-drawn animation. Choose KineMaster if you want a versatile video editor with solid animation support, perfect for creators blending animation with professional video projects. FlipaClip is the best choice for artists focused on frame-by-frame animation who need an intuitive, animation-first platform. Both apps excel in their domains, so pick the one that matches your workflow to create impressive animations efficiently.